Hello, welcome back again to another episode of SQLite. Today we're going to be talking about the application that's written in Python for SQLite read capabilities. Now the read capabilities are basically just going to execute a select from where order by command. That's your standard SQL type read. Now you'll see basically simple information what this is. It's running off of a fixed DB. Now this is basically set up as if you want to write an application for somebody to read what's in your database, but limit and restrict what they're capable of doing so they don't mess anything up. This is what this one's for. Later I'll show you another application that will do the writes, but we'll stick to this for now. Now you can clear this scroll text box up by clicking on the click square. Now let's run a SQL command. This will show you the command. It doesn't execute it, but it gives you an idea what it's going to run. Now this basically is defaulted for what's already there. You have the select star defaulted from system1, which is the table for the database that's already basically hard-coded in the background. None of the where commands on the buttons here are clicked, so they're not executed, nor is the order by sort. So if we click on the read, it will execute this SQL command, and you will see the results from the database with this table system1. Now let's say we want to change a little bit. Let's use the user ID. We'll use user ID 1 as the default. Let's clear this, click on the command. This is what it looks like. Same thing, select star from system1, but we've added where ID equals 1. If you click the read, you'll see you only get record ID 1. That's your standard SQL command functionality. You've got all your option fill boxes here, so nobody has to actually do any background coding. You can modify it to however you wish to use it exactly, but this basically sets you up as a good example for how to do an operator interface for reading SQLite. You can continue to add to it if you want. Let's omit the user ID and let's say we want to use the datetime. Now what you'll see here are the datetime strings. That's the human, but what's going to be here is the UTC, the Unix time. That's a long integer, basically the time it is from 1970, total counts of seconds. It's epoch if you want to look that up. Now we'll just change this to January of 2020, and let's try that command out. We'll take a look at it. Okay, now you can see you've got select all where the date time is between this, which is the epoch value, and this epoch value. If we read it, you will see, there you go. Now 4, 5, 6, and 7 do have those timestamps between there. Now you'll also see you have 3 Johns and a Ford prefect here. Let's say we want to use the operator as well. Operator like John. So it should pull all those 3 up. Let's take a look. We'll clear this. Let's take a look at the SQL command. Okay, so you're selecting all from the system, where the date time, and the operator like John. Let's read that. There you go. You've got the 3 Johns, but the Ford prefect is gone. You've added that to that. Now let's say we want to sort this. Let's sort this ascending. Just to make it simple, we'll leave it as the ID. You see the standard 3, 4, 5, 6 here? Okay, let's clear that. Let's get that command. Let's read. Okay, well, it was ascending. Let's change that to descending. Let's check the command again. Yep, let's read that. What did we get? Oh, look at that, 6, 5, 4. There you go. So it showed that everything works basically already, and the operator doesn't have to write any SQL commands. They simply use the option boxes. Hope you like this application. You want to download it. If you want to learn how to do this yourself, it's a cheap, simple, inexpensive download. Hope you appreciate it. Talk to you later. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.